Hello, it's Kathy Miller from Just Like Home. I thought I would do a video and see if you guys have seen this cool Ikea hack. So let me turn the camera on. So there's these frames from Ikea. They're called Tollsby, I believe, and they're 99 cents. 99 cents, dirt cheap. And these are just book rings. So you put 2 book rings on your picture frame, and then you can print out these alphabet cards, and I'll drop the links down below. So you print them out, and then you run them through your laminator. I've got this one ready to go. Normally I use a Xyron cold laminator, which I absolutely love, but I'm out of film right now, so I'm using my other laminator that is a Scotch heat laminator. But I just wanted to show you guys how easy this is, and really how cheap it is to make a cool alphabet flip chart that you can put like in your writing center. Our kids have been using it like crazy, practicing writing the alphabet. So you just run it through your laminator, and then you cut them out. I've got this cool Fiskars cutter that I absolutely love and I use, oh my gosh, like every day. So you cut them out, and then you hole punch them, and then when you're done, it looks like this. And the kids can just flip them. Isn't that cool? So, I mean, it could, like I said, the frame costs 99 cents. And then we usually have it sitting over here in our writing center, and it's just a great way for the kids to practice writing their alphabet. So I thought I would share that with you. Pretty cheap and pretty simple to make. So there you have it.